we are going to learn how to remove an object in Photoshop. First, go to the selection tool and carefully select the area around the object. You can use the lasso tool to make a precise selection. Once the object is selected, go to the Edit menu and choose Content Aware Fill. Now, Photoshop will automatically analyze the background and fill the selected area. You will notice a loading circle or arrow moving while it processes. When the process is finished, click OK. Press Ctrl D. You can see that the male partner has been successfully removed from the image.